The idiom that I will discuss with you today is busier than a one-eyed cat watching two mouse holes. You all know that cats feed on mice. If a cat doesn't have eyesight in one eye, it will be very difficult for it to watch two mouse holes, to know when the mouse or mice are coming out so that the cat can eat them. That's why the cat will be very busy. Because if the cat had eyesight in both eyes, it would have been much easier for it to keep a watchful eye on both the mouse holes. The figurative meaning of this is when a person is very busy and tensed because of that. When my housekeeper, Mashi, had gone on a vacation, the cat haters were making life very difficult for me. They know that I love the cats so much. So I think this was a sadistic effort on their part. Sometimes they were direct and sometimes they were indirect. Sometimes passive aggressive, not saying anything but huffing and puffing. Throwing dirty water on me, rubbish on me and the cats. And that was getting very stressful for me and the cats. That's why I was very scared and busier than a one-eyed cat watching two mouse holes. And let me tell all of them, yes, I get nervous, I have an anxiety problem, but that doesn't mean I don't fight, and that doesn't mean that if they continue with this and make matters worse now or in future, they won't face consequences, because I fight. Believe me, I fight. For my cats, I do. And then they were trying to get gossip about me and the cats from other people by manipulating them and maybe bribing them. And that wasn't done. Now Mashi is back, things will be better. And the next time Mashi leaves, I'll be more prepared to handle them. I may still get nervous, but that doesn't mean I won't deal with them and let them continue with their rubbish.